Adding a Pypes exhaust system to your first generation Ford Mustang is a great way to add sound, durability, and horsepower. Inspired by a warbird built for the streets, Lee Iacocca's pony car dream roared to life in 1964 with over 400,000 units sold in the first year. Then came the legends: Mach 1, Shelby GT350, and Boss 302. Power, looks, and affordability sealed the deal for a generation. And what's a legend without the right sound? That's where Pypes Performance Exhaust comes in. Our full exhaust systems for 1964 to 73 Mustang are designed to fit all models, including staggered shock cars like the Mach 1 and Boss 302, and yes, even convertibles. Crafted using 2.5-inch Mandrel bent 409 stainless steel in both X-pipe and H-pipe configurations, with your choice of our 4 signature mufflers: Turbo Pro, Race Pro, Street Pro, and Violator. In the box, you'll find the tubing, mufflers, clamps, and hangers specific to your application. Convertibles will also include a bracket to space the center convertible brace. Along with our systems, we offer manifold downpipes, and for those running original manifolds, electric cutouts if you want that open header scream at the flip of a switch. Finish things off with a wide selection of 304 stainless tips, making Pypes your one-stop shop for all your exhaust needs, all backed by a lifetime warranty. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave those below or give us a call at 800-421-3890 to get your Mustang Pypes equipped today.